Hello everyone, how are you? Myself Vijay Kumar Gupta. I welcome you all on the behalf of me and Math. So today we are going to discuss some questions regarding linear equations. So am I audible? My video audio clear? Kindly message just type जल्दी से बता दीजिए बच्चों. Am I audible? My video is clear. फिर हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. Okay. Sorry. Welcome all to me and Math. Okay. So let's start our session. Yes. So this is the first question of the session. Today's session. Here is it. Question is regarding with work uh, alone. A alone can complete a work in 16 days and B alone in 12 days. Starting with A, they work on alternate days. The total work will be completed in. So there is a work which can be completed by A in 16 days and B in 12 days. They are working together, but they are working alternate. First start A, first day, work A, then second work B, then third work C, A, then B, then A, then B. This is the process. So, in how many days they will complete the work? This is the question. So, take 2 minutes to solve this, and let's see who will give the answer first. किसी भी काम को A 16 डेज में कंप्लीट कर सकता है, साथ ही अगर बी करे तो वो 12 डेज में कंप्लीट कर देगा. अब सेम काम ऑल्टरनेट डेज पे वर्क स्टार्ट हो रहा है कि पहले दिन ए वर्क करेगा, देन बी, देन ए, देन बी. इस तरह से उनका वर्किंग स्टाइल है. तो वो वर्क कंप्लीट कितने दिनों में हो जाएगा? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर्स. तो यहाँ पर वेरिएशन चेक करो, वेरिएशन कौन सा है? ये वेरिएशन इनवर्स वेरिएशन है, डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन नहीं है. इट्स एन इनवर्स वेरिएशन. So we have to use the inverse rule. Okay, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं solution. So A complete a work in 12 days. So 1 day work by A is equal to 1 upon 12. Similarly, 1 day work by B is equal to uh, this is 16. So this is 16. B complete in 12 days. So 1 day work is 1 upon 12. So now they are working alternate days. First day A, then B, then A, then B. Or milke how many days? Let's suppose X days. How many days they work? Let's suppose X day they work. The total work is 1 complete. So 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12. How many times? X days or X times, because number of days are X is equal to 1. Now 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12. यहाँ पर आप will check. There are a pair 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12, 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12. How many times? X by 2 times, because हमने 2 days को एक साथ combine कर लिया है. So now 1 upon 6, I'll solve here. 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12 is equal to 48 is the LCM. 3 plus 4, 7 upon 48. Okay, so can I write 7 upon 48 plus 7 upon 48? How many times? X upon 2 times. X upon 2 टाइम्स क्यों? क्योंकि हमने दो दो दिन को कंबाइन कर लिया, तो टोटल डेज x से x कितने टाइम चले जाएगा? 1 by 2 times. Now x by 2 into 7 upon 48 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 96 upon 7. Convert in mixed fraction. So 13 integer 5 upon 7. Check the answer. Which one option? 13 integer 5 upon 7. C option is the correct answer. Okay. I think this is clear to everyone. So say in the chat box, is it clear or not? मूव करें नेक्स्ट क्लास पे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए. Let's move for the next question. Yes, it is the second question of the day. The question is, if 6 years are subtracted from percentage of figure and the remainder is divided by 18, then the percentage of grandson Anup is obtained. If Anup is 2 years younger to Mohan, whose age is 5 years, then what is the Gagan's parents' age? Okay, there are so many variables. So this type of question just break into small sentence. So for your convenience, I break them in small sentence. First is, if Anup is 2 years younger to Mohan, whose age is 5 years. Second, if 6 years are subtracted from the percentage of Gagan and the remainder is divided by 18. Next, the present age of grandson Anup is obtained. Now, think about it. Can you solve it? If you can, then go for it. I'll give you 4 minutes to solve this. Okay. अगर कुछ भी डाउट है यू कैन आस्क चैट बॉक्स. I'll reply your all chat, all queries. So let's see who will give the first answer. What happened? Is there any answers? No one. Let's start the solution. Now, if 6 years are subtracted from the present age of Gagan and the remainder is divided by 18. Now, what is the question? Final question is what is the Gagan's present age? हमें find out करना है गगन की present age क्या है. So let's suppose the present age is Gagan is X year. Let's suppose the present age of Gagan is X year. Now come to the question. If 6 years are subtracted from the present age of Gagan, means X minus 6 and the remainder is divided by 18. Remainder is divided by 18. This is Anu. This is Anu. This is first equation. Now, if Anup is 2 years younger to Madan, Anup is 2 years younger to मदन मीन्स मदन से 2 years छोटा है और मदन कितने का है व्हाट इज द एज ऑफ मदन इज 5 सो अनूप इज इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 3 और एक्चुअली में अनूप कितना है अनूप is x minus 6 upon 18 years x minus 6 upon 18 which should be equal to 3 which should be equal to 3. So after the solving this expression, x minus 6 is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 plus 6. So x is equal to 60 years. So your answer is 60 years. B option is the correct answer here. Okay, class? Let's move for the next question. So here it is the next question. Village X has population of 68,000. Village X has a population of 68,000 which is decreasing at the rate of 1200 per year. Village Y has a population of 42,000 which is increasing at the rate of 800 per year. एक विलेज है जिसकी पॉपुलेशन डिक्रीज हो रही है पर ईयर और दूसरा पॉपुलेशन है जिसकी दूसरा विलेज है जिसकी पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो रही है पर ईयर. तो एक ऐसा टाइम आएगा कि दोनों की पॉपुलेशन इक्वल हो जाएगी. तो वो टाइम कब आएगा? You have to find the time. You have to find the years. In how many years will the population of two villages be equal? From a certain rate, the population is decreasing of village X and from the certain in the certain ratio, the population of village wise increase. So this question is not a difficult one. It's a little bit lengthy, but I'm sure you can do it. Take 2 minutes to solve this. Village X की population 68,000 है, Y की population 42,000 है. X thousand 62,000 and 42,000 दोनों को इक्वल करना है. बस हमारा फोकस किस पे होना चाहिए? We have to equal both. Okay. Let's see who will give the first answer. Do class first. Solve the question. Okay, solve करते हैं और check करते हैं कि what is the answer, what is the method to find the answer. Now, in village X, population is decreasing, and what is the rate of decrease? 1200 per year. एक साल में 1200 peoples कम हो रहे हैं. तो हम assume कर लेते हैं number of years are n. After n year, the population of both village will be equal. Okay. So numbers of years are, let's suppose numbers of years are n. Okay. So if in 1 year 1200 peoples decreased, so in n year how many peoples will decrease? It's 1200 and yes. Similarly, 800 per year increasing in village B. So in n year how many persons will increase? It's 800 and so 68,000 minus 1200 and 68,000 minus 1200 and ye, this is the population of village X after n year, and 42,000 plus 800 and this is the population of village Y after n year. Both should be equal, so we equate it. Now just solve. 68,000 minus 42,000 is equal to 800 and plus 1200. So this is 26,000 is equal to 2,000 and so n is equal to 26,000 upon 2,000. So n is equal to 30 years. So in how many years it will be saved? After 13 years. B option is the correct answer for this question. Is it clear to everyone? Say yes or no. So my dear students, I I'm sure this question is clear to you. Okay, let's move for the next class. Next question. Here is it. The next question. Remember about X pens at 2 rupees 6 2.6 rupees each, and Y greeting cards at 80 paisa each. If the pen cost 12 rupees more than the cards, then the given condition is represented by the equation. Then the given condition is represented by the equation. कौन सी इक्वेशन है वो इस कंडीशन को रिप्रेजेंट करती है? व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? रीमा बोट एक्स पेन एंड वाई ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स. The cost of a pen is 2.6 rupees is the cost of greeting card is 80 paisa each. What is the difference between total cost of pen and cards is 12 rupees. Okay, so let's solve the question. Rima boot explain pen and greeting cards. Okay, so what is the difference? What is the total cost? X into 2.6 rupees and Y into zero point 0.8 rupees. 80 paisa is converted into rupees, that is zero point 0.8. So this is 2.6x is equal to 26x upon 10 is equal to 13 upon 5x. Okay, so we'll solve this in our space. We'll solve it here. Okay, now look at it. This is 0.8y is equal to 8y upon 10 is equal to 4y upon 5. So the total cost of pen is 13 upon 5 x rupees, and the total cost of greeting cards is 4y upon 5 rupees. Now come to the question. Read the last line. If the if the पेन कॉस्ट रुपीज 12 मोर देन द कार्ड्स, पेन की कॉस्ट है जो कार्ड से 2 रुपीज ज्यादा है, 12 रुपीज ज्यादा है। no, बस हमें यही करना है। क्या करना है? वी हैव टू मेक एन इक्वेशन। पेन is equal to greeting cards plus 12. What is the cost of pen? 13 upon 5x is equal to 4y upon 5 plus 12. यहाँ पर लिखना था कॉस्ट भी लिखना है हमें, cost of. Now you can simplify it. So 13x is equal to 4y plus 60. 13x minus 4y is equal to 60. Let's check ऐसे कोई option available है. 13x minus 4y is equal to 6. Yes, B option is the correct answer. So here B option is the correct answer. So is this clear, guys? I'm sure this Is clear to you? Let's move for the next question. Or you want something? You want to ask something? Okay, let's move for the next question. Two numbers differ by 5. If their product is 336, then the sum of two numbers is. Difference of two number is 5. Their product is 336. We have to find the sum. This question is a very interesting question. This question is a very interesting question. Let's see who will do the first. Difference is 5. Product is 36. Find the sum. I'll write in the teacher's space what is given. Difference x minus y is equal to 5. Multiply xy is equal to 336. What you have to find? X plus y. This is the question. Okay. Now try to solve the question as soon as possible. Take 2 minutes. I'm waiting for the answers. So anyone in the class who is willing to give the answer? So there are two methods to solve this question. First one is substitution method. You can substitute the value of x or y in the second option. Okay. So I'm giving you the first method that here x is equal to y plus 5 from this. Now replace this in equation number 2. So y plus 5 into y is equal to 336. Now y square plus 5y is equal to 336 and y square plus 5y minus 336 is equal to 0. This is an quadratic equation. You can solve it by the splitting the middle term. This is the first method. Now you say what is the second method? Second method is the identity. Second method is the identity. X minus y, xy, and x plus y. There are three terms. We can write this term in x minus y and xy format. So we have an identity और हमने एक formula पढ़ा है. X plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square my plus 4xy. Yes or no? अगर नहीं तो याद रख लीजिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 4xy. ओके अगर आपको x plus y फाइंड आउट करना है तो उसका रूट फाइंड आउट कर. तो x plus y is equal to root x minus y whole square plus 4xy. So this is a very important property. क्लास 10th में हम काफी यूज करेंगे इसे in polynomial chapter. Okay, so in the second method, this is the first method. This is the second method. Okay. So is equal to x minus y square is 25 plus 4 into 336. 4 into 336 is 1344. This is 1369, and root 1369 is 37. So x plus y is equal to 37. चेक करते हैं जो फोर्स मेथड है उससे भी हम सोल्व कर पाते हैं या नहीं. So just splitting the middle term. By the splitting the middle term, this is y square plus, now split 336 in two parts such that the sum is 5. 336 in two parts, the sum is 336, sum is 5. So 336 के हम फैक्टर्स कर सकते हैं 16 into 21. Let's check. Yes, 16 and 21. So this is plus 16x minus, sorry, plus 21x minus 16y minus 336 is equal to 0. From here, y plus 21 and y minus 16 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 16 and minus 21. Minus 21 is discarded. Why? Because it's a negative number. If y is equal to 16, so x is equal to 16 plus 5, 21. Now add both 16 plus 21, that is 37. So from the both method, you will get the answer is 37. 37, where is the 37? Yes, 3. C option is the correct answer. So there are two methods. I have explained all the methods. You can choose in the exams which method is suitable to you. No need to do both the method. Both methods are correct. You can choose anyone. Okay. Let's move for the next. Or you want to take 2 minutes to copy it? First method is related to the splitting the middle terms. Second method is the identities. Both methods comes in polynomial. In the the chapter polynomial, second chapter, you studies these two methods to solve any polynomial of degree 2. So first we convert the question in linear equation and we solve the equation. There are so many methods to solve the equations. You can choose method which is suitable to you, but which is fit to your mind. Okay, now let's move for the next question. The sum of ages of father and his son is 45. This is the next question. The sum of the ages of father and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their age was 34. तो same type का question. इसका definition, question का style, structure, just आपको find out करना है. तो always जब question नहीं समझ में आए तो break into small parts. You can break this question in first part and the second part. After that, you can solve it easily. Okay. The sum of ages of father and son is 45. दोनों की एज का सम 45 years. 5 years ago, once upon a time, 5 years ago, the product of their age. अगर दोनों की एज का प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो आंसर होगा 34. तो उनकी एज क्या होगी हमें फाइंड आउट. तो एक लेट सपोज किसी एक की एज एक्स अज्यूम कर लेते हैं तो डेफिनेटली दैट एज इज 45 माइनस एक्स क्योंकि सम इज 45. So if one number is x, then another number is 45 minus x. So let's suppose age of son is x. Let's suppose age of son is X year. Then what is the age of father? 45 minus X year. Now try to solve this. I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve this. Now in this part, just calculation is there. Most of part I have completed. I have done. मैंने आपको explain कर दिया. ना क्लास में कौन आंसर पहले करेगा? लेट्स स्टार्ट करें सोल्व करना. लेट्स सोल्व. हमने अज्यूम तो कर ही लिया है. नाउ देर 5 years ago multiplication is 34. So father and son. X year 45 minus X. 5 years ago. 45 minus X minus 5. And this is X minus 5. Yes. So this as is 40 minus X here. And this is X minus 5. Now just multiply and equate to 34. 40 minus X into X minus 5 is equal to 34. Again, there are two methods. One is approximation. Second is जो हमने last question में किया था splitting the middle term. So पहले हम splitting the middle term solve कर लेते हैं. If you multiply it 40x minus 200 minus x square plus 5x is equal to 34. So this is x square minus 45x plus 234 is equal to 0. Split the middle term. 45 को split करना है कि उसका जो multiplication है वो 234 हो जाए. उसका split जो है 234 हो जाए. तो क्या हो सकता है? Possibility क्या है? कौन स्टूडेंट बताएगा हमें जल्दी? नहीं, कोई नहीं. यस, 6 and 39. 6 and 39. यहाँ पर आप चेक कर सकते हो. 6 into 39 is equal to 234. So x square minus 6x minus 39x plus 234 is equal to 0. So from here we will get x minus 6 into x minus 39 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6 and 39. x कौन है? सन की एज 39 नहीं हो सकती ना, तो हम क्या लेंगे? 6 ही लेंगे. So son is 6 and father is 45 minus 6 is equal to 39. So answer is 39 years and 6 years. Any option is there? Yes, first is option is there. Now I told you that there is a one another method, that is approximation. What is the approximation method? Let's check. Here, just focus on this. Multiplication of two integer is 34. Multiplication of two integer is 34. So what is the possibility? And which number is small? This is a small. So what is the possibility? 40 into 1? Sorry, 34 into 1. Second is 17 into 2. Any other possibility? No, there is no other possibility. Let's work with both possibility. If I check first possibility, 34 into 1. So 40 minus x is equal to 34. X is equal to 6. And from the second possibility, well, second bracket, x minus 5 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 6. Yes, दोनों वैल्यूज ठीक आ रही है, मीन्स हमारा जो फर्स्ट ब्रेकअप है वो करेक्ट होना चाहिए, बट हमें सेकंड भी चेक करना है. तो इफ यू चेक सेकंड, 40 minus x is equal to 17. So x is equal to 23 and x minus 5 is equal to 2. X is equal to 7. दोनों से अलग अलग आंसर आ रहे हैं, तो दिस ब्रेकअप इज नॉट करेक्ट. यू हैव टू टेक, you have to go for this breakup. So x is equal to 6. If x is equal to 6, then father is 39, son is 6. So you can do both of the method. This is approximation method. Which one is approximation method? This one is the approximation. And this is splitting the method. Okay, let's move for the next question. One third of the boys and one half of the girls of a college participate in a social work project. If the number of participating students is 300, out of which 100 are boys, what is the number of students in the college? कॉलेज है जिसमें सोशल प्रोजेक्ट है, उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया है. तो बॉय टोटल स्टूडेंट्स डिवाइडेड इन बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स. इन बॉयज वन थर्ड participated and in girls one half participated. Okay, if total number of participating students is 300, out of which hundreds are boys, what is the number of students in the college? Okay, so इसको ये क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. तो लेट्स सपोज बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स. बॉयज है x, गर्ल्स है y. How many participated? One third of the boys. So x by 3, which is equal to 100. How many girls participated? Half. Y by 2, which is 200. ये कैसे आया? Look at total participated 300. 100 boys. So 300 minus 100 is equal to 200. ये क्या हो गई? गर्ल्स. और बॉयज कितने हैं? ये बॉयज है. Okay, so x is equal to 300 and y is equal to 400. So total student 300 plus 400 is equal to 700. So 700 is the correct answer. Okay. So this is the method how we solve the question. Okay, let's move for the next. P can do a work in 15 days, Q can in 20 days. If they work together in 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is. Okay, we have done this type of question before. So this question is very easy. I'll give you brief. So P 4 days. So 4 into 1 upon 15 work done by P, and Q again 4 days. So 4 into 1 upon 20 by Q. So total work done by P and Q in 4 days is equal to 4 by 15 plus 4 by 20. If you solve this, This is 7 upon 15. After solving, you will get the 7 upon 15. 7 upon 15 is completed. So remaining 1 minus 7 upon 15 is equal to 8 upon 15. The answer is 8 upon 15. The remaining work is the 8 upon 15. Okay, very easy. No need to worry about it. You can do it. So next, two men. This question is a very important question and good question. Two men start from a point A and B respectively, 42 kilometers apart. Point A and point B. The distance is 42 kilometers. The rate of speed is 4 kilometer per hour, and B to A the speed is don't know x kilometer per hour. They meet each other after 6 hours. They travel for 6 hours. Both travel for 6 hours and they meet each other. मीन्स दोनों ने 6 आवर्स में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया 42 किलोमीटर्स सो 6 into 4 plus 6 into x is equal to 42. Simple formula based question. So 24 plus 6x is equal to 42. 6x is equal to 18. X is equal to 3 kilometer per hour. Answer is 3 kilometer per hour. Okay. Next question. Average age of 6 men, sons of a family is 8 years. Average. So you have to know about the average. Average is equal to sum upon total. So 8 is equal to sum upon 6. We are talking about sun, so I write the sun. So sum of sons is equal to 48. Average age of sons together with their parents. Together with their parents means mother and father. So number of family members are 8 here. In the second case, average is 22 is equal to sum upon parents are 8 here. So sum of total is equal to 22 into 8 is 176. Now, in the last, the father is older than the mother by 8 years. Father मदर से 8 years बड़ा है. तो इसको अगर हम ब्रेकअप करें, फादर प्लस मदर प्लस 6 sons इज इक्वल टू 176. फादर कितना है मदर से 8 years बड़ा प्लस मदर एज इट इज 6 sons की टोटल एज कितनी है 48 is equal to 176. Now you can solve it. 2n plus 56 is equal to 176. 2n is equal to 120. M is equal to 60. So mother की age क्या है? What is the age of mother is 60 year. 60 year is the correct answer. Correct? So do, look at the question, look at the solution, and see which is not clear to you. Let's move for the next question. A train traveling at 48 kilometers completely crosses another train having half its length and traveling in opposite direction at 42 kilometers per hour in 12 seconds. It also passes a railway platform in 45 seconds. The length of the platform is, what is the length of? This question is a very important question of the session. सेशन का सबसे अच्छा क्वेश्चन यही है. Okay, so first understand the question. एक ट्रेन है जिसका स्पीड है दैट इज 40 किलोमीटर पर हावर. दूसरी ट्रेन है जिसका स्पीड है 48 किलोमीटर पर हावर. फर्स्ट का, सेकंड का 42 किलोमीटर पर हावर. दोनों एक दूसरे को अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में क्रॉस कर रही है. तो दो क्रॉस करने का टाइम है 12 सेकेंड्स. उनका लेंथ के बारे में नहीं बता, बट फर्स्ट ट्रेन इज डबल टू द सेकेंड. पहली ट्रेन सेकेंड की डबल है. ओके, तो चलो इसको सोल्व करते हैं. ये फर्स्ट ट्रेन है. लेंथ सपोज इसकी डी है, तो सेकेंड ट्रेन की लेंथ कितनी हो जाएगी? D/2. 48 किलोमीटर पर हावर, 42 किलोमीटर पर हावर. डिस्टेंस को हम मीटर पर सेकेंड में, स्पीड्स को मीटर पर सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं बिकॉज टाइमिंग सेकेंड में दिया हुआ है. सो 48 इंटू 5/18, 35/3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ये 3 से 6 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. 3 टाइम्स 7. सिमिलरली 42 इंटू 5/18, 6 3 जा 18, 7. Oh, sorry, it's 8. So this is 40/3 and 35/3 meter per second. Now relative speed, because they are in opposite direction, so 40/3 plus 35/3, so totally 75/3 is equal to 25 meter per second. This is the relative speed. And total distance is equal to d plus d/2, 3d/2, and time 12 seconds. Now you can solve the question. 12 into 25 is equal to 3d/2. Speed into time is equal to distance. So you can cancel out 3 to the 4 times. So d is equal to 200. D is equal to 200. Now what is the question? The length of the platform. D is 200. प्लेटफॉर्म को क्रॉस करती है 45 सेकेंड में. प्लेटफॉर्म को क्रॉस कितने सेकंड में कर रही है? 45 सेकेंड्स में. तो नाउ दिस इज द ट्रेन एंड दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म. प्लेटफॉर्म का जो लेंथ है सपोज x, और इसका डिस्टेंस है 200. क्रॉस करने का मतलब क्या है? ये जो गार्ड रूम है, ये जो सेकेंड सिचुएशन कुछ ऐसा होगा. ये तो इस ये वाला जो पॉइंट है, पॉइंट ए, ये कहाँ पर आना चाहिए? पॉइंट ए यहाँ पर होगा. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना कवर किया? 200 प्लस एक्स. कितने टाइम में? 12 सेकेंड में. स्पीड कितनी है? 40/3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 40/3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो 200 plus x is equal to 600, so x is equal to 400 meter. The distance is 400 meter. So B option is the correct answer. So this question is little bit lengthy and there are so many concepts involved, so you have to be cautious about this question. Okay, this is the way. Okay, now last question of the day, last question of the session, that is this. 85 children went to an amusement park where they could ride on the merry-go-round, roller coaster, and giant wheel. तो अम्यूजमेंट पार्क में दो राइड है. फर्स्ट वन इज मेरी गो अराउंड एंड सेकेंड वन इज रोलर कोस्टर एंड जेट. Now, it was known that 20 of them took all three rides. 55 of them took two of the three rides, and each ride cost 1 rupees, and the total spend amount is 180 rupees. एक राइड का कॉस्ट 1 रुपीज है. तो 20 स्टूडेंट ने तीनों राइड्स लिए तो कॉस्ट हो गई 20 इंटू 3 प्लस 55 स्टूडेंट्स ने कितने राइड लिए? टू राइड्स लिए. तो टोटल कॉस्ट हो गए 52 इंटू 2 प्लस एक्स स्टूडेंट ने वन राइड लिया. तो टोटल कॉस्ट हो गई एक्स इंटू वन. अब तीनों का मिला के जो टोटल पे किया दैट इज 180. दैट इज 180. 60 प्लस 110 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 180. अगर हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 170 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 180. सो एक्स इज इक्वल टू 10. यानी 10 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, 10 चिल्ड्रंस हैं जिन्होंने सिर्फ एक राइड. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? आंसर इज नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर 1 10. Okay, so look at the question, look at the solution. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so I think this is clear to everyone. तो आज के सेशन में हमने डिफरेंट टाइप के क्वेश्चंस किए हैं. Look at the from the first. This question is related to uh, work and power, where inverse relation is followed. In the second question, the is group or H related questions are there. Here, population increasing and decreasing from the same rate. यहाँ पर हमने कोस्ट सम पेन और कॉस्ट, पेन का कॉस्ट कोरिलेशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. ऑल आर रिलेटेड टू लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. Here, the digits, numbers, two numbers, the relation between two numbers we have used. So we have done almost different type of questions. Okay. So I think today's session is very useful to you. Now, if you have any doubt in any question, you can comment me. You can comment. I'll give the answer of your all the queries. Okay. So thank you everyone for the joining today's session. I'm Vijendra Kumar Gupta, thanking you on the behalf of me and Matt. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.